Welcome to day 8 of the 12 days of essential oils for your starter kit. Today we're going to talk about frankincense. Frankincense is quite a magical oil. So if you know throughout history, it's very well known and very famous. Frankincense, myrrh, and gold, of which frankincense was probably the most valuable. It was used as medicine, some of the first medicine. And it was also more for the wealthy, people that could afford it. So it was quite a gift to have frankincense. This one is wonderful for many things. If you are curious, Google the benefits of frankincense and you'll find some amazing research. You can look at PubMed. Some things that I love to do with it, I love to put it straight right around my eyes to support with the less appearance of wrinkles, and it's super nurturing for the skin. It's wonderful if you're doing any kind of meditation or prayer work to really help you to tune in. And I love it just added to any of my serums that I make, skin serums, facial serums. And it's grounding. It's very grounding. It's very calming. It's wonderful for some emotional support. So there's a couple reasons that I love frankincense, but this is really one you should look up in Google, and you will just be blown away by the research that has been done on this oil. Throughout time, loved throughout time. Okay, go out, have some frankincense, realize how super special it is, and really enjoy it. Have a wonderful day.